Today we are going to learn Theorem 6.1, which is also called Basic Proportionality Theorem or Thell's Theorem. Now here, what is given? A triangle is given. Okay, let's draw. A triangle is given. Let us give the name of this triangle ABC. ABC. This theorem is most important and is usually coming of 4 marks in exam. Now, a triangle is given and it is there is a line segment DE. This DE in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. This is given. And what you have to prove? You have to prove AD upon DB. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. I think the concept is clear. What is given and what we have to prove. What is the statement of this theorem? If a triangle is given and DE is parallel to BC, then prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. The name of this theorem is BPT, that is Basic Proportionality Theorem, and it is also called Thell's Theorem. Now let's start the proof. Before starting the proof, we have to do some construction. First of all, I will make a perpendicular from E to BC like this. I will make a perpendicular, that is 90 degree. Okay, and I will make another perpendicular on AC. I am making a perpendicular on AC. This is also 90 degree. Moreover, I will join DC. See how much constructions we are doing. And then I will join BE. We had done 4 construction here. Again, what we are doing? First of all, I will make a perpendicular from E on AB. Second, I will make another perpendicular from D on AC. And I will join BE and I will join CD. Let us give name to this point. Let this be M. Let this be N. You can give the name XY also like this. Okay. Now see here. First of all, if I want to find the area of triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. What is the formula for finding the area of triangle? Half into base into altitude. Okay, so half into base. What is the base for ADE triangle? AD is the base. So it will come AD into altitude. Altitude means the height. That is EN. So this is the area of triangle ADE. Okay. What is the other formula for finding the area of triangle ADE? Half, again base into altitude. So again here, this is altitude, DM is altitude. So AE is base. I can write AE into DM. Please check this carefully. Area of triangle ADE. We are talking about only ADE. Area of triangle half into base into altitude. Here, if I take AD as a base, then EN is the altitude. If I take AE as a base, then DM is the altitude. So I am getting two formulas for finding the area of ADE. So let us give it as 1 and this as 2. I think this much is clear to everybody. First of all, I will make the construction. What construction? I will find DM the altitude, EN the altitude. Second, I will join BE and CD. Then I will find the area of ADE. Only ADE. Don't think for this. Only ADE. This theorem is somewhat, some people think it's very complicated, but it's very easy if you go systematically. So ADE, area half base into altitude. So this is my one formula, base into altitude. Again, this is again base and this is altitude. So I am getting this. Okay, now let's continue. Now, area of BDE. Now I want to find the area of, try to understand. BDE, the triangle which is downward. ADE is over. Now let's talk about this. BDE. Okay, what will be the area of triangle BDE? Now suppose this is a triangle. Okay, and I want to find the area of this ABC. I am giving one example. So here you can make 90 degree here also. But suppose I want to make the 90 degree from A. So this altitude will be outside. Yes or no? The altitude will be outside. And let this point is D. So if I want to find the area of ABC, what will be my answer? I want to find the area of ABC. It will be half into base into altitude. But see here, half. What is the base? Base is BC because altitude is on BC. So my answer is BC into what is the altitude? AD. But altitude is outside the triangle. So same thing is here. Same thing is in this figure. So because here the altitude is outside. BDE, altitude is outside. So what will be the area of this? Half into base. Base is my BD. And what is the altitude? Altitude is EN, which is outside the triangle BDE. So BD is a triangle and this is outside. I think it's like this only. It depends on this concept. Altitude is outside. Okay, let us give it as equation 3. Now again, area of triangle CED. CED. So here also the same thing. Half into base. What is base? CE into what is altitude? And this is triangle and altitude is outside and the altitude is DM. So this is my 4th. So in short, the theorem is over. Only we have to make the arrangement. But these 4 equations must be clear to you. How they are coming, that must be clear to you. First, I will find the area of ADE using first altitude. Again, the area of ADE using second altitude. Then area of triangle BDE, which is half into base into altitude. Here the altitude is outside. The base is BD, but the altitude is NE. Okay, same for CDE, half into base into altitude. Here in this triangle also, the altitude is outside. DCED is this triangle, while the altitude is outside. It depends on this concept. Okay, now we will make the arrangement. Now in this, I have to prove AD upon DB. DB means BD. BD or DB is the same thing. That means I need AD divided by BD. So what I will do, I will write like this. Area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. Again the question arises, why I am writing this upon this, why not this by this? The reason is, what I want to prove, I have to prove AD upon DB. AD upon DB. So here I am getting AD. And where I am getting DB? I am getting here. DB means BD. I had taken it. So this is BD. So I want AD upon BD. So I am taking this divided by this. So what I will get? Area of this is now here from 1 and 3. I am getting this divided by this is equal to half into AD into EN. And what is the value of this? Half into BD. Okay, we are writing DB. Let's change here also. So there must be no, because you write DB or BD, meaning is the same. Okay, into EN. Now you see, half cancel, EN cancel. What is left? Area of ADE upon area of BDE is equal to AD upon DB. I got one part. Now I want the second part. So this is my equation number 5. Now I want AE upon EC. AE is here and EC. Okay, let's cut. CE or EC is the same thing. So let us write it also EC. So there must be no confusion. Okay, so from 2 and 4. Again I will do the division. ADE upon area of CDE. That is half into AE into DN. Here also half into EC into DM. Half cancel, DM cancel. What is left? You get area of ADE upon area of CDE is equal to AE upon EC. Let this be the 6th one. Now you see, now the work of 1, 2, 3, 4 is over. Now we will focus on only 5th and 6th. You see here, I have to prove this is equal to this. It is possible if and only if I prove this right hand side is equal to same. See here, area of ADE, but here area of BDE. But here it is area of CDE. But we know that area of BDE is equal to area of CDE. Why? Because these two, BDE and CDE, lies between same parallel line. In 9th standard you had learned, suppose there are two parallel lines and if I am making a triangles, many triangles, all these triangles will have a same area. We had done in 9th standard. The area of triangles lying between two parallel lines are always same. So here BC is parallel to ED. The reason is BC is parallel to DE. Therefore, the area of these two triangles is same. So from 5 and 6, we get that. So finally write down like this. From 5 and 6, AD is equal to, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Hence proved. Hence proved. I think the concept is clear. You just focus on these 6 equations. It's very easy to prove. Only write down in the beginning that what you are doing. You write by yourself that first of all join BE and CD. Afterward you write draw a perpendicular DM from D on AC and perpendicular from E on AB. That much you will write before starting here. After that you will create these 4 equations. After that you will take the ratio of 1 and 3 and then 2 and 4. Finally you will get these two, prove these two are equal. How? AD is equal to AD, but BDE is equal to CD. You give reason why they are equal. The reason is because BC is parallel to D and the triangles drawn between two parallel lines are always equal in area. So these two are same. Therefore, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is our BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem. Practice is for more time. It is most important questions for exam. Thank you.